Hello everyone. So this is Zoe's new stroller that just made it in. The FedEx man upsetted me a little because he just left it by the door instead of knocking, but I already approached him about that, so he said he'll make sure he do that next time. But here's the box opening. This is how the box look. Vivo. I have done a lot of reviews on Vivo dog strollers, and they had the best selections and the best reviews. Okay, so let's get started. Right now we're in Zoe's room. Everything for Zoe, all of her stuff is on the floor, you know, just to make her comfortable. Zoe, I just realized something. Zoe didn't come see her package. Zoe, come here, mama. Hey, baby. Look at Zoe, you guys. Hey, mama. You like your package? Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Can I see your package? This for you, Tudor. This for you, mama, baby. This mama, baby stuff. Okay, let's go to the opening. Zoe loves to see her packages. She even tried to help open some of them sometime. Okay. Let me drop this knife. Okay. Packaged really well. I'm going to try to do everything with one hand because I have nothing to hold my camera. Okay, this is how we're going to do this. How about this? Okay. That's not going to work. So, this is what we're going to do. Give me 1 second, you guys. Okay. So here we go. Jeez, this stroller is huge. Wow. Zoe, look at your stroller. Look, she done found something on the floor. One of her old snacks or something. Alrighty. So. Here we go. It's so horrible because I have to do it like this. This is horrible. But this is what's going to have to happen. Okay, now we got it. Finally out. This is gorgeous. Oh, Zoe has one of those sit on the floor televisions. I'm sitting on her bed right now. This is her television. This is her fish tank. Her room is messed up right now. Her fish tank and stuff like that. I spend time with her up in here during the day. But here we go. Let's show the parts first. We have the cup holder. We have the foot stand like that connects the front wheel, I think. And yeah, we're going to upgrade everything in Zoe's room next month. So, that's okay. And we have this little board thing. Oh, it's for the wheels. To connect the wheels in the back. We have the pop on wheels. Pop on wheels. Okay. And some single wheels. I think that's the 2 wheels that I have right here. They actually go in the front for the 3rd wheel, because this is a 3-wheel stroller, as you can see. 3-wheel stroller. So it seems to be very simple to put together. So, oh, and these are the brakes and things like that. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is really nice. Look at this. Wow, Zoe is going to... Zoe, come here, mama baby. I have to put on the... come here, mama baby. Oh, she like her blanket pulled over. I'm sorry, come here, baby. I'm sorry. Zoe is like, if you don't want me, just don't call me. Come here, baby. My tutor. Come here, mamas. Come on. Give me 1 second, you guys. Come here, mamas. And put her in. Okay. Here we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, that baby. And then we have the pull over port. Okay. Oh, wow. This is really great quality. Like, everything is so thick. Like, this stroller is so thick. Man. And pay attention to the net. You know, because I don't want people to be all in my baby's breathing space. And the net connects. I can connect the net and I can, like, put the net up. So, basically, yeah. Fold this back. There's a zipper part in the front of here. You just unzipping like this. Wait. Okay. Comes down. The same is for the back. You see, guys, there's a back entry. Look at, she love her mamas. Gimme Tissy. Thank you. I love her mama. Oh, give me Tissy. Give me Tissy. Thank you. I love her mamas. Oh. Oh, you like your stroller? My baby love her stroller. My baby love her stroller. She has to go and get groomed Friday morning. She has a grooming appointment. And her nails needs to be redid. Let me show people your nails. Because mama can't have her nails done and my baby don't have her nails done. Yeah, my tutor. I didn't brush her hair for 2 days. You guys see it looks tangly and stringy. But she has really soft wavy hair. Mama tutor. Mama gonna put your stroller together. Ooh, you a fancy baby. I think I'm gonna take her out for a walk in this. Well, oh, I forgot to show you guys. Look at the storage area. Because she has a travel bag. You see that? I'll show you guys. Okay. Oh, this is wonderful. And it's tall enough for me. Like, I don't have to do no bending. Like, this is freaking perfect. I love the making of it. Look at this. It looks like a bassinet. This is perfect. And look, she even has the sun. Look at, hey, Tutor. Hey, Mama Tutor. Look, she wants some of her mama. I love her mommy. I love her mama. Oh, you're the most beautiful baby in the world. I love you. Oh, oh, I love you. Oh, mommy love her little Tuka. Mommy love her little Tuka. Oh, I want my baby. She love when I say that. I want my baby. Look, she tried to get out. He give me kissy. I love how she give me a kiss when I say give me a kiss. She has a massage appointment in 2 days. Can't wait to bring her to her massage appointment because she, you never know what they're going through. She could be stressed. That's why I make sure once a month she has a massage session. Yes, it's a pretty penny, but it's okay. It's fine. An hour. Her massage sessions are for an hour. For $225. Because they have to have this special, what is it, oils and, like, this is how a masseuse do her, like this. Things like this. And she do it over her whole body. You see how she like that? Her masseuse do this all over her whole body. Yeah, so this is her pink polka dot stroller. Zoe has so many clothes. Zoe has so many shoes. Hi, mamas. You have everything. Hi, mamas. You have your own room. You have your own pets and everything. She has a bird. And she has her fish tank right here. And the reason why I'm saying she has a bird is because we're going to go pick up her bird Friday. Yup, and she will be having a doggy wedding this year. We're going to go together with her to pick out her mate. Whichever mate she likes, whichever one she bonds with more as we do the walkthrough, that's who her mate will be. But yeah, so Zoe is a pretty spoiled, pampered dog. Hi, mamas. She love when I call her my newborn baby. Hi, my newborn baby. Look how she acting. That's my newborn baby. I want my baby. I want my newborn baby. And it is so big in the inside. Like, you guys, look at this. It is so huge. Hold on, Zoe. I'm sorry, mama. Look, her little body, like, she can literally fit another dog in here. Like, when she get married, her husband can fit in here with her. But I wouldn't go that far to try to fit both of them in here, but it is possible. I know I would get a bigger stroller so they can be really, really comfortable because Zoe loves to spread out. Look at how she sits. She sits so pretty. She don't have on her night clothes right now because she literally not too long ago took a bath, as you can tell by her hair. Look. Oh. Oh. You like it? You like it, mamas? Where your treats at? Her treats are in her living room. I'll go get them in a minute. But yeah, you guys, this is the stroller that I ordered Zoe. I'm putting the wheels, which are here. I'm putting the wheels and everything on in a minute. But I cannot do it with just one hand. I would have to buy like a phone holder or something that could allow me to film. And let's just be honest and real for a second. And I honestly really didn't even care to put it on anything because I really didn't want to be seen all the way by the camera because I look horrible right now. But yeah, this is her stroller. Zoe is a princess. Princesa, yo te amo, tú Te amo, mami. Te amo, señorita. Te amo, bonita. Te amo, bonita. Dame beso. Dame beso. Dame beso. Thank you. So she is learning Spanish. I speak English, Spanish, and Garifuna fluently. But this, I am in love with the stroller. Okay, you guys, thanks for the love, the support, and everything. So yeah, just please remember to subscribe, like, comment, share for more material, for more reactions, for more Tell It Like It Is videos. This is Monica signing out. Tell It Like It Is, Monica. I say things and I do things that a lot of people wouldn't agree with, but that's why my channel is called Tell It Like It Is, Monica, because I tell it like it is. Straight Hennessy with no chaser. Thank you guys again for the support. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Oh, and I'm forgetting one more thing. Subscribe.
Jenny, get in the fucking house now, bitch. Better count your fucking days, mom. Fuck you all, bitch. Major Grammar. I just got some new boots and a new tractor. Got on my tractor, ran right past her. Fucked her in the pasture. Yep, on my tractor. Finna marry my sister, cause she's fucking